It's February 11th. Look at this. All 14 inches, huh? Where? A little bit of snow in there came from throwing snowballs at it because it didn't do anything again. I got the S10 cleaned up. Got the redneck tonneau cover off. Changed temper sensor. Working. Beautiful. Got the old houndage. Everything is covered up. My wife loves that. She loves this too. Freddie. So, we're staying busy. I don't know about the newscasters, those weather guys make a lot of money and get paid for big money for a lot of mistakes and scare people and sending them out to buy crap. And hey, you're gonna get power outages and everything else. And nothing. You know, they make you spend money you don't even have. Hey, look at that. That guy. Big and dopey. That's Sterling. Alright guys, just want to say hello. I'm up here in Enfield, Connecticut. Not much going on. No blizzard I can see. Have a great day.